bought another pair of inline skaters. So here now it's really a breeze just. And I also added here with the inner bearings of two roads, so back side and front side, but it really was a tough job doing here. So don't know if here there's a stick inside, but yeah. Okay, that's today's work. And yeah, it really, I guess, best would be here to put a hoverboard motor inside and make sprockets directly to the hoverboards. There are many people on YouTube who have done this already. That, I guess, would be the cheapest way, because these LogBandSaws, they are really expensive. I bought one myself 2019 for 2,000 euro, or by now it's 3,000 euro, and the really good ones you pay 10,000 euro. And you see, today I bought another hoverboard on the flea market for 10 euro, and it's the old Gen 1. So here 2 hoverboard motors, a driver. It can go up to 12S at least, and so 16S Lifepo might also be okay. Yeah. So I guess that's it for now, because next step really, I guess, would be to make all this of aluminium, or maybe start from scratch with 2 hoverboard motors, because this pedal leg might not be powerful enough. And so here now installing a second hoverboard motor would be too complicated. So I guess I would better start, because I would like to have such a, you see, the ladder can go on my truck, and the saw can go inside, and then I can I have I think by now 3 little forests, and so and I cut down the tree that I can really directly in the forest, because otherwise I really need at least these for the tires to get. I did this last winter. One tree took me 2 days to get the tree out of the woods, and so if I want nice logs anyway, so you see, in 2 days I would also be able to cut the trees already directly to nice logs. Yeah. Okay, that's it for now. Bye bye.